Welcome back to the Daily Oracle of Wealth family. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2026, and the financial solar grid has officially shifted. Today, the sun leaves the grounded soil of Taurus and steps into the electric air of Gemini, initiating Gemini season. The corporate and digital markets are waking up with a surge of high-velocity data, quick-witted negotiations, and rapid networking. The energy shifts from hoarding assets to actively moving capital through diversified streams. Let's decode the exact coordinates, the lucky numerical codes, and the specific wealth blueprints commanding your bank account on this powerful transition day. Aries, with the sun officially entering your communication sector today, your intellectual currency is skyrocketing. Your financial ideas are exceptionally sharp and easy to express, making this the ultimate window for pitching high-ticket projects, negotiating terms, or writing compelling business proposals that trigger immediate cash flow. Do not sit on your concepts today. Pick up the phone, send the messages, and get in front of the decision makers. Your words carry immense transactional power right now. Stay perfectly alert to fast-moving digital trends, communicate with absolute clarity, and claim your rewards. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 7, 16, and 25. Taurus, as the sun exits your sign today, the solar spotlight shifts directly onto your second house of personal finances, liquid capital, and personal inventory. This is your cosmic cue to meticulously review your budget, analyze your recent spending habits, and implement practical systems to maximize your net earnings. Look for sustainable, tangible streams of revenue rather than chasing erratic market hype. Your ability to create physical structure out of thin air is your greatest weapon today. Secure your existing assets, cut out unnecessary overhead, and build your capital baseline with unyielding discipline. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 1, 10, and 19. Gemini, happy birthday! The sun has officially entered your sign, launching your personal new year and elevating your personal charisma and wealth frequency to an absolute annual high. This is an incredibly powerful, high-voltage day for initiating brand new financial ventures, pitching yourself for an executive promotion, or making critical long-term decisions that directly mirror your core economic goals. The market is listening to your frequency right now, so do not shrink back from the spotlight. Step forward with unshakable confidence, project your vision to elite investors, and master your destiny. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 5, 14, and 23. Cancer, your deepest financial insights are arriving from highly unconventional and private sources today. The current alignments are urging you to pay meticulous attention to your raw intuition and subconscious patterns regarding wealth. This is a spectacular day for quiet, behind-the-scenes financial research, auditing past transactions, and mapping out structural long-term blueprints away from the noisy market chatter. Do not rush to make loud public statements or major capital commitments right now. Your true strength lies in strategic discretion. Protect your private peace, refine your formulas in secret, and prepare your vault. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 2, 11, and 20. Leo, your social network and professional circles are transforming into an absolute goldmine today. The Gemini solar transition is heavily activating your 11th house of groups, long-term goals, and collaborative wealth. Shared financial projects, mastermind groups, or brainstorming money-making ideas with high-value peers will yield massive returns under this sky. Do not try to carry the entire economic burden on your own shoulders right now. Leverage the collective power of your tribe. Step up as the visionary leader of your community and watch the financial support aggregate rapidly around your goals. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 3, 12, and 21. Virgo, your professional legacy and public reputation are directly linked to your earning potential today. The sun is climbing to the absolute peak of your chart, casting a massive solar spotlight on your career sector. Your legendary responsibility, analytical mastery, and flawless attention to detail are being highly observed by authority figures and elite clients. This is the perfect moment to execute long-term career pivots that permanently elevate your economic baseline. Maintain your immaculate standards, showcase your precise data execution, and watch the doors to higher revenue open wide for you. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 4, 13, and 22. Libra, the universe is demanding that you expand your financial horizons far past your traditional baseline today. The Gemini energy is supercharging your 9th house of higher learning, foreign markets, and legal expansion. It is a phenomenal day to explore international asset classes, invest in advanced specialized education, or adopt an entirely fresh, innovative philosophy toward wealth generation. Do not let short-term daily anxieties keep you boxed into a small zip code. Think like a global macro investor. Stay completely open to learning, adapt to emerging international trends, and let your portfolio grow. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 6, 15, and 24. Scorpio, your intuitive financial radars are operating at absolute peak performance today. The current alignments are deeply activating your 8th house of shared resources, legacy investments, venture capital, and passive income streams. This is the perfect cosmic window to rigorously manage outstanding loans, optimize joint bank accounts, or explore high-yield automated assets that generate revenue while you sleep. Maintain absolute discretion regarding your financial status. Your power multiplies when your competitors cannot read your next play. Trust your legendary gut instincts, analyze the hidden data strings, and secure your long-term position. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 9, 18, and 27. Sagittarius, strategic alliances, and elite contractual agreements are your ultimate path to abundance today. The sun's entry into Gemini is shining a brilliant spotlight directly onto your 7th house of business partnerships and legal collaborations. Taking a shared cooperative approach to major financial ventures will trigger rapid, compounding growth right now. However, with high-velocity air energy dominating the sky, ensure your communication remains perfectly transparent. Leave absolutely zero room for verbal ambiguity in your joint business deals. Align yourself only with high-integrity partners who share your long-term macro vision and build together. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 8, 17, and 26. Capricorn, optimizing your daily operational efficiency is your single fastest trigger for financial expansion today. The stars are demanding a practical, highly organized approach to your daily labor routines, financial documentation, and business workflows. Implementing new budgeting systems or streamlining your digital tools right now will instantly free up valuable bandwidth and boost your core earning potential. Do not let minor administrative clutter slow down your macro ambitions. Organize your workspace to the penny, eliminate unnecessary daily operational drag, and execute your tasks with the unyielding discipline of a true master builder. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 2, 11, and 20. Aquarius, your raw creative genius and speculative investment strategies are heavily favored by the cosmos today. The transition into Gemini is pouring a high-voltage surge of inspiration into your 5th house of personal branding, calculated risks, and joyful profits. Do not be afraid to take a beautifully researched, highly innovative risk on a unique asset class or a passion-driven business venture right now. Your magnetic, forward-thinking frequency is naturally drawing profitable eyes to your projects. Balance your high inspiration with hard metrics, back up your plays with data, and let your creative wealth expand. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 1, 10, and 19. Pisces, your primary financial focus turns completely toward your home, family security, and real estate foundations today. The planetary grid is heavily activating your domestic sector, making this an incredible day to explore property-related investments, plan high-value home improvements, or secure your family's financial infrastructure for the future. Ancestral wisdom, real estate assets, or quiet family support could play a massive role in upgrading your liquid capital this afternoon. Keep your business logic perfectly grounded in factual data, protect your internal peace at all costs, and insulate your private vault from external volatility. Your lucky numbers for today's wealth matrix are 3, 12, and 21. If your birthday is today, Thursday, May 21st, you are officially initiating an incredibly dynamic, intellectually stimulating, and highly lucrative 12-month solar cycle. With the sun re-entering Gemini at your exact moment of arrival, this year is entirely focused on mastering clear communication, elite networking, and building highly diversified income streams. You will find yourself completely adaptable to sudden market trends and eager to master advanced tech or digital skills that instantly upgrade your economic standing. New high-value contacts and key strategic travel will act as major wealth catalysts. Be careful not to spread your focus too thin across too many chaotic projects. Rely strictly on verified data over superficial advice to secure your ultimate legacy. Happy solar return. The Oracle has spoken. Gemini season is officially live, and the high-speed race for diversified wealth has begun. If you are ready to claim this electric air abundance, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and drop your sun sign along with today's custom lucky numbers in the comments section below. Protect your private peace, and I will see you tomorrow to unlock the next code.